Hello and welcome to the Financial Room. I'm your host once again, Natasha. And what are we seeing? Are we seeing those leaves turn colors? Are we seeing burgundies and light yellows and oranges? Fall is one of the most beautiful, most favorite seasons for me, and I'm sure it is for a lot of you. And we're going to talk about the time of fall that most of us don't like, which is the fall home maintenance. Not good, not a good feeling. But we have to do it because if we do not take care of our prized possessions, which is our home, which is a positive asset, it will deteriorate and you will lose value in your home when you're ready to refinance or sell your property. So it's very, very, very important that you have a fall checklist. Now I'm going to list these things, and if you ever want to download this checklist or contact us, pick up the phone, or you can just Google online fall home checklist in Ontario or winter countries. There's a lot of great information on there. So you're going to want to check and seal your windows and doors starting October when it starts getting a little bit colder. As you know, our summers are getting shorter and our winters are getting longer. So our first snowfall last year was October. So let's plan for, a really good safety home maintenance check. So you want to seal your windows and doors and take out the old weather strips if you didn't do it for your spring inspection and clean up, and put those new weather strips on. And you also want to service your heating system. If you are paying for your heating system, service is free, repair is free, parts replacement is free. So pick up the phone and call. If not, call a local HVAC company that offers really good discounts in the neighborhood, and make sure that your furnace and filters are changed, which is really important. The next one is very, very important. Make sure that you test your smoke alarms and carbon monoxide detectors, and make sure they're also hardwired. So if the battery does default or expire and because you have forgotten to change it, it will have a backup through hardwire. And make sure that your smoke detectors and carbon monoxide detectors are linked through your alarm. So if there is a notification of high carbon monoxide or smoke, the authorities or your alarm company will be notified, and automatically your home will be saved, and those living inside, which is really, really important. Unfortunately, every year there is useless prevented deaths due to monoxide poisoning or home fires. Inspect your roof. Get a roofer up there. Please do not attempt to go on your roof if you're not a licensed roofer. Get them up there. Make sure they take videos and pictures, and before they come and give you that quote, so you can see exactly what's happening there, and take care of your roof. In Ontario, there's a lot of tornado warnings that are happening, and in very unusual and unexpected areas, and that is in the GTA, so make sure that you protect yourself. Clean and store your outdoor furniture. Wash them, dry them, seal them away from the moist in the air, and of course the outdoor critters. So you want to do that too as well. And winterize your outdoor plumbing. Any of the exterior pipes that are there, make sure that you lock them and you shut off the valves so there are no pipe bursting at all. And service your fireplace and chimney. You have a fireplace, make sure it's serviced. Even if it's electric, it needs to still be serviced to a certain degree. So that is really, really important. And inspect your attic and insulation. So this is part one of the home inspection for fall maintenance, and we're going to talk more about the other items in our next episode. So inspecting your attic and insulation is very, very, very important. I was raised with a very, very popular metaphor. When you open the door, money is flying out if the air conditioning and heat is running out. So make sure that you seal those doors. And also, if you don't have the proper insulation in your attic, it can also make your furnace and AC work harder for you, which means your bill is going to be higher. I want you to pick up the phone and call us. If you need to do some repairs and buy equipment and maintain your home, and you need a loan, or you're struggling, our services, and I want you to make sure that you see them on the screen and pick up the phone and call. And we will continue part 2 on fall maintenance. Thank you so much for joining. Until next time.